My name is Khalid Mohammed. I'm the chef of Show Cafe, Show Cafe Vite, and also Show Events. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cook a proper whole roasted turkey. So my preference actually is cooking the turkey breast versus the whole turkey. The reason for that is the turkey legs and thighs do not cook at the same rate as the breast. So you tend to always have overcooked breasts and undercooked dark meat, which is legs and thighs. So usually I cook turkey breasts, or I separate the leg and thigh from the breasts and cook them separately. One way to combat the drying out of the breast is to brine, because it is a showstopper, the whole roasted turkey on the Thanksgiving dinner table or Christmas table. It looks great. It's a great presentation. So I'm gonna go through the steps of how I do a whole turkey. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the brine. So here I have 5 liters of water, and to the 5 liters of water I'm gonna add 1 cup of salt, just normal table salt, ½ cup of brown sugar. I'm going to do also a ½ cup of lemon juice or lime juice. I'm going to add in there also some pieces of orange and lemon. Just going to kind of squeeze them as I put them in. So this brine, you can kind of go anywhere you want with brine. You know, it's kind of what flavor you want from this. So I'm looking for like a citrus herb flavor from the turkey. So that's why I'm going this way. I'm gonna add some garlic, just whole crushed garlic. Just like that, just goes in just like that. Some fresh thyme and rosemary. You can throw it in just like that, or you can, you know, pull out some leaves. But just like that is fine. I'm going to whisk now to dissolve the sugar and salt. And that's it. That's the brine right there. So I'm using this beautiful butterball turkey that you can get from Massey stores. It's a nice size as well. So I'm just going to open it up because I want this to brine overnight, 24 hours. Not more than 24 hours. I would say you can start with 12 hours and up to 24 hours, but not longer. It can get salty, and you don't want that. It comes with a pack of gravy, so after you cook it, you can warm it up and serve it alongside it. So this is it. All I have to do to this now, I'm gonna stuff it. I use an aromatic stuffing. Just to give flavor to the bird while it roasts. I don't believe in cooking the stuffing in any bird, especially turkey. When you put any stuffing inside a raw chicken or turkey, what happens is the stuffing now becomes raw. And to cook the stuffing up to 165 degrees, it means you're gonna have to really overcook the bird. So I prefer to do my stuffing on the side and not in the bird. Inside the bird, you'll always have giblets, like we'll have the neck. Sometimes there's a bag with liver and gizzard and stuff like that. All this is good. We can use that to add to the stuffing. You can make the stock with that to make a sauce to reinforce this sauce as well. So that's a bird. This is the cavity. Because I'm gonna brine it, I'm not gonna add any more salt to it. All I'm gonna do now is add a stuffing. So I'm kind of gonna use things that I put in the brine as well. So I'm gonna put some lemon in there. Just leave the whole thing in there. And I'm doing something that we call mirepoix, which is carrots, onions, celery, and garlic. It's a nice flavor base for soups, stocks, vegetables, poultry, whatever. So I'm gonna real stuff it in there. It's gonna flavor the bird while it roasts and also keep it moist. If I didn't brine, I would have seasoned inside the cavity and outside. So, and now I'm gonna tie it, which we call trussing it. So I put the wingtips behind the wings, pull the skin around like that, cross the legs, then I get some butcher string, like this. It's a pretty simple tie. Go here, cross the string under the legs, then around the legs, and you want to get this nice and tight. Then you pull it up like this, flip it over, and then tie it here. So the reason why we truss or tie any meat before cooking is to get that nice uniform look. So it's nice and uniform, it's going to cook uniformly. If it was just open up, it will overcook. There are parts of it that will overcook. This way, it cooks nicely. So now we just put the bird, I let it go breast side down in the brine and completely submerge it. You can weight it by putting a plate. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge for 24 hours and I'll cook it tomorrow. So it's been 24 hours. Our turkey has been brining undisturbed. So I'm now going to remove it from its brine. So you want to give it a good pat. You want to pat it dry nice now. Because you don't want to put it in the oven still wet. For turkey, I like to roast 15 to 17 minutes per pound. I like to go at around 350 degrees. If it starts to get too brown, although I do like my turkey very brown, I could then put a piece of foil on it to tent it. Not like that, not to create steam, but just to tent it over the breast so it doesn't get too brown. But 325 degrees, 15 to 17 minutes per pound is kind of what you're looking at. Or, honestly, to be more accurate, you're looking for an internal temperature of 160 degrees to 165 degrees. So all I'm going to do, I don't have to season, because it was in the salt brine, it's seasoned. All I'm going to do is put some oil in it now. This is olive oil. And stick in the oven to roast. So after the first hour of roasting, I would go back in and start basting it every half an hour to ensure a nice even glaze. Now just let it go in the oven. So our turkey's out the oven. It roasted for just over 3 hours. Came out at 160 degrees. I'm serving it with some cranberry sauce. So some key points to remember. The turkey was brined. It's very important to brine turkey when you're doing whole turkeys. It helps keep the breast juicy while cooking the dark meat. So you're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. You can use a thermometer or instant read thermometer, which is best. Or you can cook it for 15 to 17 minutes per pound. So make sure and pick up your butterball turkey from Massey stores and give it a go for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. As you can see, the presentation of a whole bird, it's much nicer than just the breast. I like to present it with some fresh herbs. So you can pick up your butterball turkey at Massey stores and please try it for your Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner.